713, request clearance from 2R to Central Station,
713.
destination Beans.
Okay, you got that?
Yeah.
Do they want to, their parking, so they want to back and check?
Yeah, or put them in 3 or 2.
713, 2R Central Station for Beans. We're going to put you in one of the parking tracks here. This guy wants turntable.
Track 5.
$649 at Elizabeth.
649 at Elizabeth.
He just left, so.
113 now on 2R, 12R rather. What siding do we want to be on? You're managing the switch.
142 is terminus.
142 is terminus, thank you.
52 dispatch over.
What's blue?
52, go ahead.
John, what does blue mean?
Panama.
Not on the
Passage to Rochester via Panama. Where are you right now?
what is a
Oh
blue
yeah, where's
switch?
the exit of the turntable?
Oh, it's
Alright,
right here.
52, turntable, Panama Canal, Rochester. Proceed on signal authority. Give us a call at Grand Junction.
Roger that. Under dispatch over.
Train just called dispatch. Number, go ahead.
Sorry, 101 to dispatch. We're at Youngstown right now, looking for Blue Mountain.
101 in Youngstown. You have permission to come back on the main and hit Blue Mountain.
Copy that, thank you. On the second note, can we go to Python over?
Sure. No. Just kidding. 101, clear to Python.
Thank you.
You're not allowed to have fun.
712 to dispatch.
712, go ahead. Rio Grande.
712, switching complete at Rio Grande. We need a path to Python, please.
712, Rio Grande to Python. Give us a call at Foothills.
The call at Foothills, and we are ahead of the passenger train who has stopped at Rio Grande.
121, one update. 712, Rio Grande to Python, giving us a call at Foothills. Thank you.
Give you a call at Foothills. 712 out. Dispatch 121, we are about to depart Rio Grande behind.
Is that where you'd be over here? Are you gonna be over here?
Yeah.
All right.
121,
Have fun.
departing Rio Grande. Thank you.
Ready to sell it?
Bed.
And 112-10 is at Central Station. 112 left.
Thank you. 112-10, terminating the train.
No, I'll tell you later when we're to the story about that.
I got it. I did.
Okay.
141-11, leaving Whitcomb for Cooper.
141-11, Whitcomb for Cooper. Thank you. Okay.
You're good.
41.
I think you want to do this, right? He's leaving Whitcomb. Don't you want to turn him there?
RTC 5125, over.
This 52 is probably
5125. Go
the
ahead.
signal.
Everything switching here is Youngstown, looking for Python.
Done switching at Youngstown, looking for Python. I got 101 in
So
front of you.
This guy's leaving
Your
Whitcomb.
permission to proceed
It-
to Python. Give us a call when you get there.
Permission up to Python, protect against 101. Sounds good, thank you very much. It's 125.
There you go. That ought to be
At switch 60L for Rochester via Panama.
Oh, that's 712.
Who do I have coming out of Christmas?
No, it's not 712.
But that's the 52.
It's not 712. That's 52.
Who's coming
Okay.
out of Christmas?
52 at 60L, looking for Rochester via Panama. Proceed on signal authority.
What number was that?
52.
Oh. I thought he said a turntable.
3600, go ahead.
3600 on station.
He's at 60L. You got to put him at 60L, right?
3600, Clyde
He's
to
not-
Abbey.
he's
Permission
not
granted.
labeled. So it's okay.
Okay, so
Yeah. And dispatch
1864, go ahead.
Did you copy that we crossed Foothill?
I did not. Thank you for letting me know. 1864, crossing Foothill. Give us a call at
There you go.
Blue
Now
Caboose.
he's going through.
Copy, Blue Caboose, 64 out.
okay, so this deal up here, Abby built a new track that goes from Beauchamp down here, downward, to get you to Helen. And Abby is on that track,
Yeah.
like right next to Beauchamp. And we don't have it on the map.
You don't have it on the map.
Wow.
That's that little.
Someone's slacking.
That's that little spur.
Yeah.
That.
When he means run to the bathroom, he means run to the bathroom.
I'm looking for clearance from Python to Blue Mountain, over.
101, Python, Blue Mountain, you have clearance.
Copy that, thank you.
Who's showing up at my cell portal? Gate here. Who's that?
15 is coming through. But they're not, I think they're going
Yeah.
the other way.
I'll
They-
give it a second.
Hey, 5145, clear the main of Python.
5125, clear at Python, thank you.
Dispatch 121, departing Lilyville for Gville, on time, over.
121, Lilyville, Gville, thank you.
Where's 15 going?
Train
Are they
131
going to the burn pit?
departing
No.
South Portal Circle.
They're gonna come around the rabbit run?
131,
I'll head for
departing South Portal Circle, thank
Pardon
you.
me?
I'll head up to the
131 second section.
Where's the shirt?
Yeah, they're gonna come up Dogwood.
Rapid.
Rabbit run to Dogwood, sorry, to Deadwood. Yeah.
We got someone heading into the Philly area. So they're gonna try to make sure that they're not gonna conflict. He's actually controlling the switch. Switch? Still on the switch?
Yeah, it's weird, well, right. I'm sure he's long gone by now. Yeah.
Gotta change it up.
Copy that 111. I don't know what he said, but.
1864 at Blue Caboose.
1864 Blue Caboose, copy.
Where's he going?
I'll give you this.
Dispatcher, this is Freight Train 47.
I don't think he's going that way.
Go ahead, 47.
The only blue.
No, there's two.
I am done in Stewart and I need
Oh, yeah,
clearance
there's one.
to
Yeah.
this
You
yard.
can go this way or this way?
You need clearance to Fitzyard
Yeah, I
47
don't
from
think that
Stewart to
was me.
Fitzyard. Give me a call
he's
at,
going
let's
the
do
other
Dog Walk. Give me a call at Dog Walk.
Copy that. Give you a call at Dog Walk. 141, group for the two birds.
141, thank you.
649 at Helena, requesting to Stewart.
649, copy 649 authorized to Stewart.
649, copy that out.
Okay, give me a eastbound light.
101, clear the main at Blue Mountain.
Who's clear at Blue Mountain?
101, clear the main at Blue Mountain.
101 Blue Mountain. Is the Goose 1 there with you working jointly?
Negative. No Goose 1 in sight.
$1,500 to dispatch, over.
Go ahead, 1500.
We are finished at Louisville, and instead of going to Anaheim, we are going to continue on to Rochester, over.
Okay, 1500, authorized to Rochester. Why is my, oh, it moved, that's why.
Steve, 51 to dispatch.
Rochester.
I didn't copy that. 51 something? 61. I'm not seeing a 61.
5125, 5125, looking to come on a Python to Vidyard.
All right, 5125, Python to Vitz Yard, authorized.
Thanks, 5125.
I'm just gonna
Okay, you mean northbound light? Yeah, good.
give him the signal there.
Okay.
4661 at the fuel depot. We're an extra. We want to go from fuel depot to Blue Caboose to Serpentine.
Bed.
Okay, after, where are you going on the Serpentine?
Bed.
I know they said hi to your fans.
Going through G-Ville.
Bed.
G-Ville is your final destination?
Bed.
We'll be coming back up the top side after that. No, then we'll be coming up back to the top side after that.
All right, give me a call at Diamondback Junction, please.
Copy that. Thank you.
Who's that from the fuel depot?
This train 111 departing Cucamonga for G-Ville.
I didn't catch that. Fuel Yard to 4661. Fuel Yard to right up and go around. Okay, and you got southbound light at Blue Caboose.
Near one, I'm working Chinese and appendix.
He's doing really good.
Goose 1, you're in appendix, is that correct?
2601 and appendix.
Bed.
2601 appendix, go ahead.
I'm just working in Chinese and appendix. Over.
Okay, 2601 working appendix, thank you.
Already through the right switch.
Okay, well, that's
Dispatch, train
Can I help you?
15 is reporting in at Rabbit Run.
all right, 15 Rabbit Run headed. You're coming up Panama Canal? You're looking for Containerville, correct?
Thank you.
Yes, that's affirmative. Panama to Containerville.
All right, great. Just give us a call at Containerville. He's good. Okay, we got this guy here. 1500 ending it going. He's going
You
to
got the one in
Rochester.
Central Station is gonna leave in a second. He's gonna call you.
Oh, which one?
He's gonna call you. I told him to call. Don't tell us at the desk.
PM dispatch, 1864 Long Tunnel approach.
1864 Long Tunnel. Go ahead. What do you need?
We're looking for the KMW, over.
1864 for the KMW on lights. Okay.
He's a passenger. When he calls
Dispatch,
it.
1728.
Go ahead, 1728.
Trying to figure out our next move. Somebody got our car,
What?
but we're off the main at Stewart.
1728 off the main at Stewart. Thank you.
You don't want to stroke this, do you?
Go ahead, 538. That's this guy.
We're departing
No, you don't want
Central Station and heading for Azusa.
Okay, thank
Central
you.
Station Razusa. We'll send you down the Serpentine. Give us a call at Diamondback.
Sorry,
5125.
Stop!
In a car because it's
Did you tell him to
M&M
go?
corner.
I gave him light, then I realized the switch was in the switch.
Okay.
I missed that call. Call again, please.
Bed. Do you know where he's going?
Dispatch, 131. O'clock. Leisure Park is 132 shortly. That's M&M.
All right, 131 at M&M becoming 132. Thank you.
Hey, you're good to go.
Okay. Sit. Can I tell them they have to call
5125,
him?
over.
They have to call him.
5125. Go ahead.
Clear the meter, Vince. We'll call you from Blue Mountain in a minute.
Copy that.
101 is dispatch, over.
They're not
Go ahead,
special.
101.
101 is down at Blue Mountain looking for main yard, over.
101, clear the main yard signal authority. We'll turn right out of the long tunnel.
Copy that, thank you.
So give it right turn.
712 dispatch.
Go ahead.
712 arrived in Python. We are on the main, backing into the siding.
Okay, 712 will be clear of the main here in a moment. Thank you. Okay, 01's going main yard. No, 101's going.
Tower, this is Fairmont 18. We are at Yuma right now, requesting permission to Saanich.
18 authorized Yuma to Saanich. Thank you. Call it Saanich.
Copy that.
Okay, 47.
Dispatch train 3600.
3600. Go ahead, 3600.
On station, Abby, request permission to Stewart.
All right, backup move permitted. You can back up to Dog Walk at the Aspen Grove to Stewart, 3600.
The weather's coming in.
14111. Train.
14111. Checking crane, is it?
Can you bed, please?
7.
Bed.
Give me northbound light.
Dispatch, just a little update from 921. We're sitting off the main at Appendix, and we're waiting for some new train orders.
Copy that, thank you.
Dispatch here, this is Freight Train 47.
47 at Dog Walk, thank you. We're ready for you all the way to Vityard.
All the way to Vince Yard, thank you.
I got some at 6.
101 to dispatch order.
Go ahead, 101.
Just FYI, because you're wondering, Goose 1 appeared to be parked in Blue Mountain in the shade. I didn't see it when you asked.
Oh, Goose 1 was in the shade. Okay, thank you. We're ready for you at the tunnel to turn right.
I just gave him.
Yeah, and then give Mantis right now anyway.
CC 5125.
5125, go ahead.
Vince Yard to Blue Mountain.
Vityard to Brew Mountain approved, working jointly with the Goose 1.
The next is Goose 1. Thank you very much. 6125.
No, Andy's going into the yard.
Right for main parking at main station.
Okay, on lights to parking at main station, 6R.
Train 1780 now.
So you got some, put them in a 4 somewhere, 3, 2, pick somewhere.
Ah, he's going.
Well, yeah, he's back. We got a tour train here. We're getting ready.
Who's coming into number 4?
6R, give me 6R.
Dispatch 1728.
Go ahead, 1728. Go ahead, 1728.
Stewart, South Portal Circle for water.
All right, 1728, authorized to South Portal